Hey Fivers, so we've got garlic bread and pasta to heat up. So my support workers put some garlic bread into a Tupperware container. She stuck on the instructions on how I can grill it to warm it all up. I got my fork in my splint. We're going to open up the container to get everything ready. So we've got the garlic bread open. We've cooked some pasta. So they're in a Tupperware container and they've got a little clip on the side. So then you put your fork inside and then you can unclick it. So I like to do one long edge and one short edge. That way I can stick it in the microwave on a reheat and then it's covered, and then I can take the cover off at the end and not splatter everywhere. Open it. And then I can put my dinner in. And then we go smart reheat. Scroll down to leftovers. And then hit start. Some garlic bread. We're going to put it in the griller. So I'm going to turn the griller on to high. I can pull the drawer out. So we have some alfoil lined in the bottom. I have my fork in my hand. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to stab it in. And place it on in. Stab it a bit. Oh no! Flip it over so the butter's up to the top. Got to have that done right, don't we? Garlic bread. Then we close her up and wait till it's nice and golden brown. Dinner out of the microwave. Managed to take the lid off it. Put the lid down. Now it's time to check out the garlic bread. It's looking good. Yeah, so we're going to turn that off. It's a bit warm there. So, I'm going to open the drawer all the way out. So I don't burn my hand. Try out my skills. There we go. So we stab my fork in, put it up. Leave that open to cool down. And that is how you have garlic bread and pasta and veggies. That's how you do it.